for today's story element definition we are going to be writing in our journal is narrator. Remember, it's important to write these definitions in our journal, so if we ever forget what they mean, we can go back and look it up, right? Okay, narrator. So if you need some time, just pause your video and copy this down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go start, but remember, just pause your video if you need to take a minute and write this. Narrator gives the audience information about what is happening in the play. Now I know this is a long one, so you probably won't have time to draw a picture, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to. Remember, narrator gives the audience information about what is happening in the play.